Well, this is a step-by-step guide on how to edit videos on CapCut. Simply proceed to open up CapCut. Once you have opened up CapCut, here now I'm already signed in. You can also sign in. So tap on edit. Tap on edit option at the bottom left corner and you'll be able to see edit. If you do have any saved projects, head over to the projects tab to find it. Now since you want to simply edit, head into edit option, tap on new video. Once you select new video, you'll get this list of options, right? So you can see videos. If you want to turn photos into videos, you can select by heading into photos or live photos. But if you simply want to edit videos, you can edit your videos. Tap on videos and then proceed to edit it. You can also select multiple ones by selecting it and then tapping on next. So once you tap on add, it'll be loaded up. Now by default, it'll be added on the same video size, right? What you can do is down from the list of options, you should find aspect ratio. You can tap on it and you can change the aspect ratio. You can say TikTok ratio, Instagram 16:9 for YouTube full video, for YouTube smaller 4:3, the square version, and then 3:4 and such. So by default, this is on TikTok mode or the YouTube Shorts mode aspect ratio. So I'm leaving it to be, but you can change it easily. You can mute your audio clip or you can unmute it this way. Or if you want to change the volume, you can tap on it and you can see volume options, you can see animation options, FX options. So you'll find various list of options here, filters as well. Now main thing is adjust. Most of you want to adjust. You can enable auto adjust if you have the premium CapCut Pro, right? But you can also do it yourself by heading into filters and you can add any free filters, not the ones with diamonds, and also head into adjust and adjust the video's brightness, contrast, saturation, and various other options. You can check it out for yourself. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down.